So, here's our first question is, what are the tasks or roles of the systems analyst in the company?
Project-based kami, so pag dumating yung business requirement from the user, we do analysis and then the design of the project. We analyze kung ano yung mga kailangan nila, reports, the system itself, kung ano yung mga kailangan i-provide dun sa users. And then, we do data gathering. We also do yung mga kung ano yung kung saan mga fields kaya yung mga kukuhanin yung mga requirements, so yun part ng data gathering. And also yung design, program design. Meron din maintenance task. For example, yung mga existing systems na. So, may mga changes. May mga changes doon sa requirements. So, for example, kung nagkaroon sila ng kailangang data field na dapat ilagay doon sa sistema na wala sa existing. So, ganun. And then, meron din exception reports. We handle exception reports. When we say exception reports, it could be production errors dun sa program, mga bugs, or iba yung mga values na nilalabas ng system dun sa expected. So, yun din we handle.
Ang challenging really is yung always give the services that the customers need or the head of the business unit and all the users namin to give it on the time they need it. Yun yung big challenge doon. Whatever the applications, whatever the technology that emerges ginagamit namin is always the giving importance nung kailangan kasi the opportunity is there, binibigyan mo sila kagad ng support. Hindi yung, so ang challenge namin doon is how can we develop application rapidly, anong technology that will make them use it, talagang use it, hindi yung parang na-intimidate because of, or delayed na ginagamit. So since lahat ngayon, as you know, internet lahat, web-based lahat. So the ease of, yung challenges doon kasi is giving them on a shorter, parang short time to market, yung mga solutions namin sa kanila.
Are there specific process or steps that you take in performing those tasks?
Isa kasi sa yung, diba, familiar naman kayo sa program life development. Program development life cycle. It starts with a user change request where the user will give you the requirements. And then, sa amin, we give the user design. The user design would simply say, or these are the requirements based on our understanding. Parang kukuha ka ng user design sign-off. So, para yung, di ba yung may user change request sila, yung interpretation namin ng requirements nila, yun yung user design. And then, kung nagtatali or ganun yung kailangan nila, so they would sign it off. And then, after that, we do the technical design. Technical design, dun ka na magkagawa ng flowchart and everything, pati yung database, i-design na yun. And then, sometimes we have yung technical design review.
Can you please explain?
Technical design review, you have to present your design sa change review board. So we have that that is composed of our division head, the technical, and then yung mga managers. So ipe-present mo sa kanila yung design ng system mo. And then parang may defense ka. Ayan. So yun, yung technical design review. And then after that, yung program development. Yung technical design review, sometimes dadaan ka doon, pero hindi siya yung lagi. Minsan nire-request nila pagka yung system na gagawin mo is parang mataas o malaki yung impact on other systems. So, ganun. And then yung program development itself, where you would create the technical design, technical specs, and then i-discuss mo sa programmer mo, and then yung programmer mo yung mag-code nun. After nun, si programmer mo would do the unit testing, and then ikaw as SA, you would do the systems testing overall yun. And then after that, you will pass it to the users for user acceptance testing, and then they will do the sign-off.
What does sign off mean?
Sign-off means that the requirements they have given are met. If in case na meron silang findings, we'll go through again yung dun sa program and correct yung and then once the sign-off na, you are ready for production implementation. After the production implementation, mayroon, siyempre, may mga, doon nangyayari yung mga bugs, may mga bugs doon sa program, makikita ng mga users, and then yun yung mga exception reports. So, pagtapos ng ikot ulit, ganun yun.
So, that's why it's called the cycle. So, for our next question, what are the goals and objectives that you aim to aim or strive to achieve?
The goals?
Yes.
Siyempre, bukod doon sa ma-meet mo yung requirements ng users, it should be error-free, it should be efficient, and it should be fast yung system. I started in Insular as a programmer, and then after 2 years of experience, programmer, analyst programmer, you can be promoted to SA1. And then, syempre yung mga language proficiency, kung ano yung mga ginagamit na language. And then, syempre, meron ding systems analysis design training. Meron din dun sa database, relational database kasi kami.
So, of all of those requirements, is there a requirement that has the utmost importance? For example, is it necessary to be good at programming in order to qualify?
Ang importante is yung logic and how would you design.
So, next question. Should systems analysts be good leaders in order to be considered qualified?
Yes.
So, leadership skills.
Good leader, syempre may leadership skills ka. Kailangan yung tao mo, you know how to handle your people. Not only yung para yung sabihin na yung nagdidikta ka lang ng sasabihin ng gagawin nila. You have yung relationship nyo good, dapat maganda yun kasi yung hindi ka lang niya susundin kasi ikaw yung amo niya. Kung hindi susundin ka niya kasi may respeto siya sa'yo kasi alam mo yung ginagawa mo at saka yung nitiwala siya sa'yo na hindi mo rin siya ilalaglag.
Is time a necessary resource needed in being a systems analyst? Yung oras po, does it take a lot of time to make a project?
Depende kasi sa requirement ng user. Kung halimbawang sabihin niya kailangan niya na ng sistema na yon next month. So, wala kang choice kung hindi i-meet yung requirement na yon. Kasi, halimbawa for us, meron kasi mga product launching sa insurance. So, pag na-delay yun, that would mean mas mauuna yung competitors mo na ma-launch yung product na yun, maunahan ka. So, kailangan i-meet mo yung deadline nila. So, you have to work on that. Overtime, overnight, ganyan. But, hindi naman. Sa ngayon, ang ginagamit namin for the design is Visio. Microsoft Visio. Doon sa task na assignment, Excel lang yung ginagamit namin. Pero nakagamit na din ako nung yung scheduler, project scheduler. Yung sa Microsoft din yata yun eh. Project, nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan niya. Yan. Doon kasi naka-indicate yung task and then i-assign mo sa tao and then yung schedule.
Nasabi niyo po kanina na nasa group din kayo, diba? Tapos yung iba, solo. Pero kung sa group po, ano po yung mas effective?
Sa group, anong...
I mean, kunyari, individual or group. Ano po yung
Which one is more effective?
Which one? Mas maganda kung nasa group. Kasi hindi ka masyadong mapapagod. Meron kasing advantage and meron ding disadvantage ng pagiging individual and pagiging sa group. Doon sa group, mapapractice mo yung teamwork and leadership abilities mo. Doon sa individual, you have your own, you can set your targets, you can set your goals, you can set your task, and at your own pace. Pero in a group, being the SA, you have to monitor yung mga task na dinelegate mo, dapat nagagawa nila on time. And then yung output din nila dapat tama. Kasi, madalas na nangyayari, pag hindi mo na supervise sila ng maayos, ang kalalabasan, yung output pala mali. Hindi mo siya na-control ng maayos. Sa'yo yung sisinon. It's your responsibility.
Ayun po, dagdag ko nga. Yung, kunyari po nag-encounter po kayo ng problem sa group, ano po yung common problems na?
Common problems on
Yung sa paggawa ng design.
sa paggawa ng design. Basically, minsan, yung kanina sinasabi ko, nakakalusot yung mali ang output. Pero ang nangyayari naman doon is you have to correct yung program to give the right result, and then kausapin mo yung programmer kung ano ba yung naging problema, ano ba yung naging malabo doon sa instruction mo. Kasi kailangan sa communication din, di ba? It's a two-way communication. Kailangan yung sinabi mo, naintindihan niya at alam mo na naintindihan niya yung sinabi mo. Kasi madalas nangyayari, ikaw sinasabi mo ganito, malinaw na malinaw sa'yo kasi siyempre ikaw yung nakakaalam ng design eh. Tapos, akala mo, yung programmer mo, alam na niya yung gagawin, naintindihan niya na. Tapos iba pala yung intindi niya. So, ganun, kailangan, pag sinabi mo, dapat maitanong mo din sa kanya kung tama ba yung
Is there anything you would like to add?
Anong year na?
Third year.
Third year. Galingan niyo naman.
Natakot ako.
Ganon din yung iniisip ko dati nung ako'y estudyante. Sabi ko dun sa kabarkada ko, ang daming unemployed ngayon, di ba?
Yes.
Kung paano tayo, sila unemployed pero may mga experience sila. Tapos unemployed. Paano tayo? Fresh grad tayo. Pero most of the companies now give chances to
Fresh
fresh grads.
graduate.
Kaya huwag naman kayo matakot. Pero ganyan lang. Kasi marami nga mag-friend